Well, aren't you tired of trying to find a way to erase the background of your images? Like wasting all this time trying to get the background all completely clear just so you could put it on some nice, social media content. Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you a new feature in Canva that you can actually erase the background without having to do all the work to get it done. And it's actually beautiful. And it saves a bunch of time. Hi, my name is Dr. Salina Baker. And if you're seeing me for the first time, each and every week, I like to upload tips and other ways for busy moms to make more money online. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you a hacking tip, a tip on how to erase the background of your images so you can make beautiful social media posts. Now, this is a new feature that is in Canva, which I'm so excited about because before I used to have to, find a program, upload the video there, try to get it to erase the background, and then you had to go and try to go behind it and try to fix it yourself, like fix everything else yourself, and then download that and then upload it to Canva and then put it on actual social media, post or whatnot. Now they have made it super simple, guys, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, guys, so I am in Canva right now, and I'm going to show you how you can use the new feature to erase background so it can look, something like this, where it's just, a background in your picture. Is pretty awesome, guys. So let's pick a template or whatever, any template. How about this one? I know that it says New Year's, but Happy New Year's, it still applies, depending on when you're watching this video. All right, so I'm just gonna pick this template. I'm not gonna do anything like special to it, but I just wanna show you how you can actually use the new feature. What's cool is all you have to do is upload the video, not the video. What's cool is that you only have to upload the picture that you want to use. I'm just gonna use my husband's picture. How about this one? All right, so you upload a picture here, you pick a picture, and you just put it on the actual canvas. So then all you have to do is go to Effects, and you see right here where it says Background Removal. You press that, and let me tell you, baby, how awesome this is. Look at it. It's doing its work. It's making it, happen. It takes a little while, but hey, it's worth it. I mean, it takes less time doing it this way than it will do any other way. And voila. Look at it. It just erased the whole entire background. Now you can put it wherever you want it. You can make it big, you can make it small. You can put it over here. You put it over there. All right, for those who are wondering, this is my husband, and he has an actual style page where he teaches, fashion and everything like that. So I suggest if you get a chance, go ahead and visit that page. But here you go. This is how you can erase the background and put it on actual post in the back and make it look very fancy. So let me know in the comments if this helped. And another thing I want to mention is that it's a new feature in Canva, but it's on the Pro membership. So it is a paid one, but it's so worth it. That and all the extra goodies that you get with Canva is so worth it to, upgrade to Pro. Now, if you don't have Canva, I suggest you go ahead and download it ASAP. I'll put a link to download Canva in the description. Go ahead and grab it. And they do have a free version. However, what I showed you was part of their paid version of Canva. And like I said, it's completely worth it. The link is in the description. Let me know if this helps out, and share this. Engage, like, and comment, because your engagement actually helps promote my work. Thank you. Bye for now.